and welcome to Beverly Hills. It is beautiful out here. The sun is finally out. Blue skies everywhere. And the palm trees are just gorgeous. You see them? They're like all around me right now. It is. It looks good. Made it to LACMA, you guys, and behind me is the urban lights, the famous urban lights. It is 6 o'clock right now, so there are no lights yet, but we already took photos with me in this outfit, so which you guys are gonna see on my blog. But we're gonna go have dinner first, wait for the lights to turn on, and then come back here to take photos with the lights on. That'll be interesting. So Pierre's still taking photos right now. While I'm waiting for him, I'm just gonna tell you guys what you missed earlier because I didn't film at all. We went back to Fairfax to go check out Supreme once again because he had to go like buy the shirt that he wanted and he didn't get last time that we went there. And then we went back to both stores as well, and I finally decided on the shoes that I'm gonna get instead of getting Nikes, because I couldn't decide on which Nike I should get, Jordans or the Air Max 97 Gold or the TN Gold. So I decided to just get Floors. And here, ta-da! So I got new shoes, but I'm gonna do a haul on everything that I bought here in the US of A once I get back to Macau. So stay tuned for that, you guys. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got. So we are gonna try out the good old McDonald's. So I was expecting that it's gonna be cheap out here, but actually it's not that cheap. How much did it cost us? Oh, I have the receipt right here. So everything that we have here, which is like 2 burgers and a fries and some and some buttermilk chicken, cost us $21. Yeah. $21 US dollars. So in Hong Kong dollars, that is 160. 170 for McDonald's. Like, seriously, who said it's cheap here? People always said fast food is cheap here, but it's actually not. But whatever, we are in the land of McDonald's, so we're gonna have McDonald's. And we are back for the lights. I mean, after all, this is called urban lights, so why cannot not see the light, right? Apparently there's more people at night. hiking for half an hour now, or 45 minutes maybe, I don't know. We didn't really start from the beginning, didn't start to count, but we're doing all this just to see the Hollywood sign from a closer point of view. Right?
Left.
You smell like poop.
Me?
No, the place does. There's so much poop here. But we are close. Say that again. Who's here?
Yeah.
What do you think? Or what do you think?
A bear.
Bear.
A teddy bear.
Hyenas. Coyotes. Well, there you go. Now you know where's the poop coming from. Ugh. Decided to go all the way back down to the front of the sign as well. So here we are, the closest that we can get. You guys, you better be prepared if you're planning to go up there. It was how long? 1.5 hours of hiking from the Griffith Park, that is. But it was worth it. The view was worth it. And now another 1.5 hour hiking all the way back down to Griffith Park. There's no public transport around here, so that's the only way we can get around. I mean, go back to the city.